We're going to talk about how to work with resources, the basic concept of LIVRESQ. Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. If you want to create your lesson or your course or tutorial or whatever in LIVRESQ, you can do it in two ways. First, you may start from the project, then create a section, and then fill it up with resources. Then you just export it to the format you like. This is a quick and simple way to create a publication. In this case, all the resources you've added won't be saved in the organizer unless you export them manually. This means that if you want to reuse the resources from a section, you'll need to upload it again to a new section. On the other hand, you can start by filling the organizer with the resources. In this case, you can then build your lessons with the resources like Lego bricks. It can be extremely useful if you are using the same resources in different sections. Alright, let's create something cool. I recommend you to use folders a lot. This will help you to keep your projects nice and clean. Say, here we'll gather everything for a lesson about cats. Hit this document icon and let's see what we can do. You can add an image, an audio clip, a video clip, a gallery of images, a quiz, an application, attach a file, an accordion, and tabs. Also, you can add a new project or a section here. It works like this. You select the type of resource, then double-click it, and this will bring you to the workshop. This is where you edit your resources. The appearance of the workshop window depends on the item you've selected. Just go ahead and play around with it. I'm pretty sure you will quickly learn how to use it. Here on the right you have the properties panel. Again, it may look different depending on what you are working on, but the basic settings are pretty much the same. Here you can set up the theme, the effect, the color and other settings. Or you can go even further if you're familiar with the CSS. Now let's take a look at this top panel. Here you have those magic undo and redo buttons. By the way, you can undo up to 100 recent operations, which is cool. Then you have this export button. You can use it if you haven't saved your resources yet. Rename button, info, and the view mode. If you click it, you can see what your resource look like on different devices like tablets, smartphones, or desktop. That's pretty much it about resources. If you have any questions, you can use a chat on the homepage at livresq.com, or you can find all the knowledge base at the library in publication called Working with LIVRESQ e-learning authoring tool.